Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have a very practical and interesting physics problem. We are going to calculate an actual monthly electricity bill for a house. Let's look at the appliances this house uses on a daily basis. First, they use a 200-watt television, and it runs for 5 hours every single day. So, how do we approach this? Let's check the solution steps together. To find the electricity bill, we first need to calculate the total energy consumed. Let's start with the television. We know that energy is power multiplied by time. So, energy of the TV equals the power, which is 200 watts, multiplied by the time, 5 hours. When we multiply these, we get 1000 watt-hours. That's the energy the TV uses in just one day. Now, look at the second appliance. They have 540-watt LED bulbs, and each one is turned on for 4 hours daily. Let's calculate the energy consumed by all these LED bulbs. Energy of the bulbs equals. We must multiply 5 bulbs by 40 watts each by 4 hours of usage. Don't forget to include the number of bulbs. Multiplying these together gives us 800 watt-hours per day for the lighting. Our main goal is to calculate the total electricity bill for a full month, specifically 30 days. And the electricity board charges 5 rupees for every unit of electricity consumed. Before we jump to 30 days, we must find out how much energy the whole house uses in just one single day. The total daily energy equals the energy of the TV, 1000 watt-hours, plus the energy of the bulbs, 800 watt-hours. Adding them up, we get a total of 1800 watt-hours every day. Now that we have the daily usage, let's find the total energy consumed over 30 days. Total monthly energy equals our daily usage of 1800 watt-hours multiplied by 30 days. Let's do the math. That gives us 54,000 watt-hours for the entire month. Now, here is a very important concept. On your electricity bill, 1 unit is exactly equal to 1 kilowatt-hour. Since our answer is in watt-hours, we must divide by 1000 to convert it into kilowatt-hours. So, the total monthly energy in kilowatt-hours is 54,000 divided by 1000. Cancelling the zeros, we get 54 kilowatt-hours, which simply means 54 units of electricity. We are almost done. Let's calculate the final cost. The total cost of the electricity bill equals the total units consumed multiplied by the cost of one single unit. Substituting our values, we have 54 units multiplied by the rate of 5 rupees per unit. Multiplying 54 by 5 gives us 270 rupees. So, the total electricity bill for this house for 30 days will be exactly 270 rupees. Isn't it great to know how your home's bill is calculated? Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, keep practicing and happy learning.